In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a drag and drop interaction on Figma. This is a really fun way to make your designs more interactive and engaging, and it's perfect for those who are looking to add that extra layer of functionality to their prototypes. So, whether you're an experienced designer or just getting started, stick around because I'll walk you through each step. First things first, let's head over to Figma, the collaborative interface design tool that's becoming widely popular for its versatility and ease of use. You can do that by opening your browser and navigating to Figma's official website. Once you're there, the next thing you need to do is click on the login button, enter your credentials if prompted to do so. If you're already logged in, you might be taken directly to your home dashboard. Now that you're in, navigate over to the home section. This is where you'll find all your recent projects and files. From here, click on the design option. This is essentially your workspace where all the magic happens. It's important to get comfortable with this area as you'll be spending a lot of time here creating and tweaking your designs. Alright, it's time to create your elements. Think of the elements as the building blocks of your design. These might include shapes, text, images, whatever components you need for your project. Take a moment to assemble and organize these elements on your canvas, as they will be the ones you'll implement the drag and drop interaction with. Don't be afraid to experiment a little, as Figma's interface is pretty intuitive, allowing you to resize, arrange, and style these elements as per your requirements. With your elements ready, it's time to dive into the prototype mode. Look for the prototype tab, click on it, and this will bring up new options for interactivity within your design. This is where the magic starts happening. You can begin to set rules and interactions for how components behave on your canvas. After entering the prototype mode, find the interaction settings. This is key because it's where you'll configure the drag and drop functionality. Click on interaction, usually represented by a small lightning bolt or similar icon, and you'll have the option to define what happens when users interact with your design. Here, set your interaction to drag. This will tell your design that the selected elements should be movable within the canvas, and that's it. With these steps, you've now created a basic drag and drop interaction in Figma. It's a simple yet powerful way to make your designs interactive, allowing clients and team members to engage with your prototypes in a meaningful way. So go ahead, give it a try, and see how it can enhance your design process. Make sure to save your work and don't hesitate to explore more of Figma's features to further enrich your projects. Happy designing!